going to show you how to get started with problem 7-3. So I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle that is 4 by 5. And I need to curve those corners. And we're going to do that by using the fillet tool. Now, by default, the fillet tool is set to a radius of 0.00. So if you just try and use it, it's not going to do anything. So we're going to have the fillet tool, and you can either press radius, or you can type R, enter, and it wants you to specify your fillet radius. Now if you look at the diagram in the textbook, at the bottom right hand corner it says 4 times a radius of 1/2. That means we're going to fillet all 4 corners with a radius of 0.5. Once I've set my radius once, I can just reselect my fillet tool. I'm just pressing enter to reopen the previous command, and I can just click the sides that I want to fillet. So that's how I get my outside shape. The corner, or the circles in the corner, I'm going to use the same center point. If they don't show up, like over here it's not showing up, I may need to hover over the curve, and then that will give me my center point. And so I'm going to make my circles, and there's 4 of them with a diameter of 1/2. So I'm just going to set my circles, and then in the center of this object, that's where you're going to draw your large circle. I hope this helps get you started with problem 7-3.